Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Fixing the bad image 0xc000012f error in Windows 10, 11, 7, 8. The bad image 0xc000012f error in Windows is a frustrating issue indicating that the system cannot properly load a required DLL, dynamic link library, file for an application or the operating system itself. This error typically manifests as a pop-up dialog box when you try to launch a program, containing the error message along the lines of understanding the error *. This error code 0xc000012f specifically signals a problem with the image, the executable file or DLL, being loaded. It generally implies one of the following. Corrupted DLL file *. The DLL file has become damaged or corrupted, preventing the program or system from reading it correctly. This can happen due to incomplete installations, faulty software updates, disk errors, malware infections, or sudden system crashes. Incorrect architecture *. The DLL file is not compatible